go. So we're continuing our taco night with a keto taco seasoning. So let's skip the packet and make our own. Simple enough, right? Welcome to my kitchen. Now, last episode, we covered my taco shell recipe. In case you missed it. And why do we love this taco seasoning? Because there's no MSG, no sugars, and no unpronounceable ingredients. So let's make it. So to a small bowl, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then you just add S&P to taste. Then just give this a mix, and then you can store this in an airtight container. Now let me show you one of the ways that I use the seasoning, right? And so I'm just gonna use some ground beef here that I'm gonna go ahead and brown up. And once it's mostly cooked, then I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of our seasoning. We're gonna saute this for about a minute just to wake up the spices. And the seasoning is perfect because you can use it for any of your favorite taco fillings, like chicken, shrimp, fish, vegetables, whatever you like. And to this, we're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes. And then we're just gonna cook this until like most of the liquid is cooked out. And you can taste it to make any adjustments to the seasoning, and you're all set. And then you just enjoy this taco seasoned deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you're feeling this taco seasoning and if you're going to use it on your next keto taco night. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.